Alright, welcome back, folks. So we're about to make some banana bread. So we got 4 ripe bananas here because Chi-Chi didn't eat them in time. So we're going to take those, mix up a little batter, and throw it in here and make some bread. So stay tuned.
Welcome to my life, you'll see adventures wild and pet so free. Cooking up a storm, let's go. Gay, married life, the love will show. Join my journey, step inside. SOO, hearts open wide. Helping hands and love sincere. In this life there's joy and cheer. Life with fun, it's where you'll be. Laughing, loving, living free. Tune in now, don't miss a beat. Every vlog a special treat. From the peaks to oceans deep. Every moment memories we keep. Spices flying, flavors blend. Cooking tales that never end.
Alright, so we're going to start by cutting up these bananas in this bowl here. Again, we got 4 very ripe bananas. I went and bought some new bananas. Chevy's like, why don't you make banana bread? And I didn't really feel like it, but we're doing it anyway. You know he works so hard, he should get whatever he wants. No, that's true.
That's right.
It's true. And tonight, we're also, well, I think, are you making it or am I? Probably you. We're making meatloaf with potatoes and veggies. So yeah, that'll be good. We'll probably have a video of that another time too, or whenever I get around to it. Alright, so we got our, I almost said potatoes. We got our bananas all cut up here. Now we're gonna mash them. So you just got a potato masher and you just get in there and mash them up. Bella wants some bananas over there. Seriously, probably drooling. She always
didn't get none.
Oh, she's always right under her feet every time we're cooking. Alright, those are mashed up. So now what we're going to do is put our dry ingredients in here. So I got 1.5 cups of flour. Then we got 1 cup of sugar. You need to use 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Pinch of salt. And we're going to whisk that together. Alright, now to that we're going to add, let's see, this is about a half a stick of melted butter. Or 5, I don't remember. Some melted butter. And then I have 1 beaten egg over here. Oh no, it was 1/3 cup of melted butter, that's right. 1/3 cup of melted butter. 1 beaten egg. And then you need 1 tablespoon, or teaspoon, I'm sorry, of vanilla. There, that look good. So mix these in a little bit. Now we need to add our bananas. Get these in there a little bit at a time. More doughy looking, huh? I need to grease and flour this pan, and we'll be right back. Alright, so Chevy greased and floured our bread pan for us. We're gonna get our mixture, put it up in there. You could put some walnuts in it and sprinkle it with some on top, or a little cinnamon, or any of that if you want, but we're just going basic today, just to use up some of these bananas so we don't waste them, because food is expensive, folks. Very, very expensive. It's gonna get more expensive. Alright, so now we got our oven over there preheated to 350. We're gonna throw this in there for about an hour. Alright, here we go. We'll see you back here real soon. Alright, y'all, here's the banana bread. It's done. Looks yummy. Let's cut into it and get a piece, okay? Yummy. Alright, Chevy gets the first piece. That's how we do it. Because he's the king of the castle. Ooh, that actually looks good. We didn't put no walnuts in it. It may have overcooked just a tad, but it looks good. I'm not used to the electric oven yet. Gotta lower them temperatures, but it look good. Look, look. Look there. Yummy. Alright, there you go, folks. It looks super yummy. Got me a piece here. No butter, it's fine.
Look into my life, you'll see adventures wild and pep so free. Cooking up a storm, let's go. Gay, married life, the love will show. Join my journey, step inside. SOO, hearts open wide. Helping hands and love sincere. In this life there's joy and cheer. Life with one, it's where you'll be. Laughing, loving, living free. Tuning out, don't miss a beat. Every vlog a special treat. From the peaks to oceans deep. Every moment memories we keep. Spices flying, flavors blend. Cooking tales that never